4 inches in College Station. Huntsville, 3.5 inches. Tomball, 3 inches. Bel Air, 1 inch. North Meadows, a little bit less than that. So that's the trend. We got a way short of the record, thank goodness. Taking a look outside of UT Physicians camera shot, looking over at Herman Park. Looks nice, doesn't it? 21 degrees, though. Northwest winds at 21 miles an hour. That kind of takes some of the niceness off of it, doesn't it? Exact track radar. Strong storms in the Panhandle. We got some tornado watch boxes that are going on there with a lot of that moisture moving up to the north where that cold air is interacting. Plenty of snow. That's going to be the story for a lot of those folks today as we continue to deal with power outages. And see the clouds trying to move out of here. We've seen a lot more sunshine starting to happen here, and that's nice. The problem with that is that the clearer the skies are and the weaker the winds are, the colder our temperatures will be overnight. So right now our temperatures are 20 degrees, 21 at Hobby, 25 in Galveston, 15 in Huntsville with the wind chill 1. College Station 3 below, 18 degrees in Katy, which is a little bit different than everybody else. Katy, you're special, you know that? 7 degrees in Sugar Land in terms of the wind chill, with those winds dynamic, 21 miles an hour from the north and the west. And that's what's going to be in place here. That big area of high pressure to the north, helping to funnel that wind down and those colder temperatures with it. Look what's going on to the east of that in Memphis, where they're dealing with a lot of snow right now. And we're just going to continue to deal with the colder temperatures that are right down poised. A lot of times I talk about calling our friends and neighbors who live in Chicago who are getting the cold air. That's because a lot of times the colder air shunts off to the east. Yeah, we're not so lucky right now. So it's really kind of digging down. The upper level winds kind of show that. Look at that. Deep down, diving down, bringing that colder air down with it. The FUTURECAST, they have water vapor loop, rather. You can see the motion of this that moved on off to the east, continuing to move those storms. On the back side of that, you notice that? That's colder air coming down as well. That's what's going to help our temperatures dip down to some really cold areas for tomorrow morning. Right now, 0 in Oklahoma City. Boy, it's warmed up. Dallas is 9, 18 in Austin, but this is where it's going to be sliding down. So if we have fewer clouds overnight, that will give us a chance for those temperatures to really dive out. FUTURECAST model shows what's going to be going on in the next couple of days. We got these moving on here, and then we have tomorrow, Wednesday, showers and a mix that's going to be in play here. Right now, we're refining the models to determine how much of that's going to be mixed and how much of that's going to be rain. Not going to be like it was today. We're not going to have the snow with it, but we will have colder temperatures, cold rain if nothing else. And even on Thursday, the backside of that's going to stick around. High temperatures the next several days, 30s, 40s, until we get to the weekend. Then we'll be in the 60s and close to 70 degrees. That'll be nice. Here's a look at your 10-day forecast then. Temperature 16 today, going tomorrow about 10 degrees, 32 on Wednesday. Look at those temperatures. That is just depressing. But sunshine's going to be back in play tomorrow as we deal with those cold temperatures as that winter, that freeze warning is in place going into tomorrow.